What's up YouTube? It's your girl Duncan and I am back once again with another freaking video. This time I am going to be trying this new hack everyone's been really into about your beauty blenders and how to clean them with hot water and shampoo. So I'm gonna try that to see if it actually works. You know guys, I'm down for trying stuff just to see if it works. All these beauty blenders that are so dirty that needed to be cleaned anyway, and here I am about to clean them. So if it does work, I'm gonna be excited because these things are really hard to clean, especially if you don't want to buy the stuff to clean them with, if you just want like a quick DIY kind of thing. So we're gonna try that. Once again, if you are not subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe. I'm trying to get to 150 subscribers by the end of April. Let's get this video started. Now you're supposed to get you some water. Oh, why did I touch that? Okay, you're supposed to get you some hot water, and then you're supposed to take your shampoo, and the only shampoo I have right now is my Cream of Nature shampoo. So I'm just gonna pour just a little bit into there. Okay, and I'm gonna just take like a brush and kind of move it around. That's just the shampoo and the hot water. And I'm gonna drop this beauty blender because this one is just like, I use this one all the time. So I'm just gonna try this one. It's just a normal one. It's not the real beauty blender. Okay, so you just drop it in there. You're supposed to push it down. Now the water is really hot. As I said that, I just like pushed it. Okay, and then you're supposed to let it sit for 5 minutes. Alright, so now that the timer is done, let's see what we're working with here. Look at this water. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Alright, so it is very, very, very hot. This is what it kind of looks like right now after one. I squeeze it on out. This thing is so hot. Oh my goodness. I mean, I knew that, but it's disrespectfully hot. Alright, let's try to squeeze this out. Ooh. It's gonna take me a minute. Alright, so this is what it looks like just after. It's not uber clean, you know, so I'm gonna have it definitely sit back into the water again. It does smell, I mean, obviously it smells really good, especially since, you know, the Cream of Nature mango and shea butter really smells good. But so we're gonna try this again. So it went off for the second 5 minutes, and we're gonna go back into seeing what this looks like. Still pretty dirty to me. Don't know if that is because it's got more like buildup in there. Now it said let me go cool it off with cool water. Okay, so I just went to go like squeeze it out in some cold water. So I just like ran it under cold water for like 30 seconds, squeezed it out. It's probably got some more water in here. It doesn't. This is now what it looks like, which is actually really clean. Like, it is so clean, and it really did not even take that long. It's probably still like a wet spot right there, but it really did not even take that long. I would definitely recommend doing this. You do need to clean your beauty blenders as like every so often, like not like I'm only gonna clean it like once every 3 months. Probably not a good idea. I clean mine probably once a week, other than the ones you just saw, which is probably why I'm doing this now. But yeah, so it did get really clean. Smells amazing, of course. It did get super clean. So if you are looking for a really quick way to clean your beauty blenders or beauty blenders, definitely try this method. It was really easy. You just boil some water, like I said, throw a little bit of shampoo in it. I didn't even measure it, as you guys saw. I just kind of like, that's cool. Swish it around, 5 minutes, pick it up, clean it, 5 more minutes, pick it up, rinse it with cold water, and it'll be this clean. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, and share it, and I'll do more of these kind of videos for you if you do like. Thanks guys. Peace.